तुम देर से क्यों आए? Why are you late? Why are you late? वह रो क्यों रही है? Why is she crying? Why is she crying? तुम गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? तुम चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? वह जल्दी क्यों चला गया? Why did he leave early? Why did he leave early? दरवाजा खुला क्यों है? Why is the door open? Why is the door open? तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? तुम उदास क्यों लग रहे हो? Why do you look sad? Why do you look sad? वे लोग लड़ क्यों रहे हैं? Why are they fighting? Why are they fighting? तुम जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering? तुमने कक्षा क्यों छोड़ी? Why did you skip the class? Why did you skip the class? मैं तुम पर भरोसा क्यों करूं? Why should I trust you? Why should I trust you? तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? यह इतना महंगा क्यों है? Why is it so expensive? Why is it so expensive? तुम वहाँ क्यों जाना चाहते हो? Why do you want to go there? Why do you want to go there? तुम मेरी मदद क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you helping me? Why are you helping me? तुमने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? तुम सच क्यों छुपा रहे हो? Why are you hiding the truth? Why are you hiding the truth? तुम्हें यह गाना क्यों पसंद है? Why do you love this song? Why do you love this song? वह हमेशा देर से क्यों आता है? Why is he always late? Why is he always late? तुम परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? हमें इंतजार क्यों करना चाहिए? Why should we wait? Why should we wait? तुम फिर से कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you try again? Why don't you try again? सब इतने गंभीर क्यों हैं? Why is everyone so serious? Why is everyone so serious? पक्षी क्यों उड़ते हैं? Why do birds fly? Why do birds fly? तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? वह मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं कर रही है? Why is she not talking to me? Why is she not talking to me? हमें पढ़ाई क्यों करनी चाहिए? Why do we need to study? Why do we need to study?